Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn multiples and factors of given numbers and also LCM and HCF of given numbers. First, we have to observe the division. Here given 7 divided by 3. Okay. Observe here by division method, we take a dividend as 7 and a divisor is 3. Now we have to divide 7 by 3. Okay, in 3 table, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Right here 6. Now 7 minus 6 we get 1. This is called the remainder. Okay, this portion is called a dividend. This portion is called a divisor. This portion is called a quotient. This portion is called a remainder. Okay. Now what we get here? Dividend value is 7, divisor value is 3, quotient value is 2, and remainder value is 1. Okay, how we write here? 7 can be written as, that means dividend can be written as 7 equals to, we multiply 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 plus this one, remainder 1. Okay, 7 can be written as 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that we get 7. Okay, simply we write this 7 is nothing but what is the place? Dividend place. The dividend equals to, now 3 place is divisor. Now divisor into 2 place is quotient place. That's why here quotient plus here 1 place is remainder place. Right here remainder. Now what we get here? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now we take another example. 20 divided by 4. Now observe here by long division method. Okay, the 20 is in dividend place and 4 is a divisor. Now in 4 table 20 means 4 5s are 20. Okay, right here 4 5s are, quotient value is 5. Now 20 right here. Now 20 minus 20 value is 0. That means the remainder value is, what we get here? 0. Now this can be written as dividend. The dividend is 20 equals to, okay, divisor value is 4 into the quotient value is 5. 4 into 5 plus remainder value is how much? 0. 0. Therefore 20 can be written as 4 into 5 plus 0. By using this formula, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now yeah, 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Yes or no? Okay, now 4 and 5 are called factors of 20. Okay, this 4 and 5 are called factors of 20. Why? Because 20, okay, remainder value is here 0 means 4 is exactly divide the 20. That means multiple 20 multiple is 4 and 5, and 4 and 5 are called factors of 20. Now what is multiples? So what we observe here, multiple means a multiple is a result of multiplying a number by an integer. Okay, a 20 can be divided into, okay, 2 multiples, that is 4 into 5. Okay, the 2 multiples are integers or not integers. Okay, that we taken as here positive only. Okay, no need to take negative numbers. Okay, if the number whose multiples are to be found is multiplied by 1 2 3 4, then the products obtained are called multiples of that number. Okay, here the number whose multiples are to be found is suppose here 5, we take it as 5 multiple 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay, multiples of 5 means 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, like this. Then the products obtained are called multiples of that number. Okay, that means 5 multiples, that is called 5 multiples. But to multiply, if suppose multiples of, what to find here, multiples of 5 means Just write down 5 ones are 5. That write down 5 number. Now 5 twos are how much? 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. Now multiples of 5 becomes 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Now here observe here example 1, that is multiple of 10 are 10. 10 ones are this 10 into 1, that is 10. Now 10 into 2, that is 20. 10 into 3, 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70 and so on. Okay, that is multiples of 10 are, what we get here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. Now take another example. Example 2 is multiples of 7 between 50 and 100. Okay, you have to observe here 50 above and 100 below numbers. That is multiples of 7. Now already we know that 7 7 is 49. That is below 50. Okay, we take above 50. That is 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. 7 10 is 70. 7 11 is 77. 7 12 is 84. 7 13 is 91. Okay, 7 14 is 98. Okay, that is below 100. Okay, this is called the multiples of 7 in between 50 and 100. Okay, 50 above and 100 below numbers of multiples of 7. Okay, now what is factors? Numbers which divide the given number exactly. Okay, numbers which divide the given number exactly. Now that is leaving a remainder 0 are called factors of the given number. Okay, suppose we take 10. 10 divided by 2. That means 2 exactly divide the 10 number. That's why 2 is called the factor of 10. Okay, simple example, we take 10. 10 divided by 2. That means 2 exactly divided by 2 ones are 1, 2 fives are 10. That means exactly divided 2 is exactly divided to 10. Here we take examples. Okay, factors of 24. Okay, 24 factors can be written as. That means here, see here, 24 equals to what we write. 24 equals to 1 24s we get 24. 2 12s 24. 3 8s 24. 4 6s 24. Okay. Now what do we get next? Again 4 6 is 24. After that again we take reverse, that is 6 4 is again 24. 8 3 is 24. 12 2 is 24. 24 1 is 24. Now what we get factors 1 2 3 4 reverse 6 8 12 24. Now what we get factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. These are the factors of 24. Take example 2. There is factors of 6 are. Now simply write we 1 6 6 and 2 3 6. Now 3 2 reverse we take 3 into 2 6 and 6 into 1 6. Now what are the factors of 6? 1 2 3 6. Okay, we get to factors of 6 are 4, that is 1 2 3 6. Okay, now and the definition, least common multiple. This is called simply called LCM. Okay, that is a name itself says that least common multiple. Okay, we have to take the in multiples we take least one. Okay, common multiple. Suppose we take here the example. First we take a definition, that is the least common multiples of the given numbers is called their LCM. Okay, that's all. Definition is simply the least of the common multiples. Least of the common multiples of the given numbers is called their LCM. See example. By observing example, you can simply understand the LCM definition. See example 1 is find the LCM of 6 and 8. Now what we do? Multiples of 6. Okay, why? Because here see least common multiples. That means we have to write here 6 multiple and 8 multiples. 6 and 8 multiples. In that we take common multiples. We take common multiples of 6 and 8. In that we take here least one. Okay, least one. That is the LCM. Okay, simply we write here multiples of 6 are 6 1 the 6. Already we told 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 8 the 48, 6 9 the 54, 6 10 the 60, 6 11 the 66, 6 12 the 72, 6 13 the 78, 6 14 the 84, 6 15 the 90, 6 16 the 96, and so on. Okay. Now we have to write multiples of 8 are, okay, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, and so on. Here also same 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40, and so on. Okay. Now we have to observe here 24. Here also we get 24. Now next one, this is 48. Here also 48. 72, 72, and 96 and 96. Now these are the common multiples. Here 24, here 24 means common. That is the common multiples are 24, 48, 72, and 96. In this we have to write what we LCM definition is common multiples of the given numbers. Common multiples. Here write already wrote here 24, 48, 72, 96 are the common multiples. In that we take least one. Least common multiple, that is LCM definition is least common multiple. In the least one is, what is the least one? 24. That's why least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. Now another method. Okay, find the LCM of 24 and 36 using division method. Okay, now division method. Write first 24 and 36 like this, and have to divide with the 2. It is 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36. Okay, 2 12s are 24 and 2 18s are 36. Now again we have to divide with the 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Now in 2 table 6 exactly divided, but 9 is not divided. That's why we take here 3. The next number 2 after next number is 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now we take 2. That is 2 divided by 2, but 2 is not divided by 3. That is 2 1s are 2 and 3 we write as it is here 3. Now we take 3. Okay, 3 1 as it is we write 1 only. Okay. Now 3 1s are again 3. Now what we write here LCM is we have to write 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. That is 72. Now LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. Okay. Simply we have to divide these two numbers with 2. That is least number. We take least number is 2. That's why we take 2. Okay. After that, we next. If suppose this is not divided by 2 means we take 3. Next number is 3. Okay. Like this we have to do division method. Now highest common factor. The highest common factor. Okay. Highest of the common factors of the given numbers is called their HCF. Simple definition. Okay, highest of the common factors. I have to first write here common factors. Common factors. In that we take highest one. That is nothing but HCF. Actually, it is the largest possible number which can divide the given numbers exactly. Okay. Actually, it is the largest possible number. Largest possible number. And this we take largest possible. That means have to take the numbers, divide these numbers. But in this we take largest one. Okay, that exactly divided. Here see example. Through example we can understand easily. Suppose we find the HCF of 24 and 36. Now factors of 24. Right, first factors of 24. But because we have to write here common factors. Common factors. That's why we write first factors of given number. That is 24 factors are 1 into 24 is 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24. 24 1s are 24. These are the multiples or factors. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors of 24. And 36 also we write easily. Okay, 1 36 are 36, 2 18 are 36, 3 12 are 36, 4 9 are 36. Now 6 6 are 36. Next to 9 4 are 36, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36. These are the factors. Now in this we write common factors. 24 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, and 36 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. In these common factors are 1 and 1. 1 is the common factor. 2, 2. 2 is the common factor. 3, 3. 3 is the common. And also 4, 4, 6, 6. Next one is 12, 12. That means common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. In this HCF definition is highest common factor. Okay, HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Okay, LCM is least common multiple. Here HCF means highest common factor. What highest common in this highest common factor is what is that? 12. That's why highest common factor of this 24 and 36 is 12. Now we take another example. Find the HCF of 28 and 48 by using division method. Okay, take division method. Simple, we write first 48. Okay, 48 as a dividend and 28 as a divisor. Now 28 in 28 table, 48 means 28 ones are 28. Now 48 minus 28 is we get 20. Now we take 28 as the dividend. Okay, 20 as the divisor. Now in 20 table, 28 means 20 ones are 20. Now again subtraction, what we get? 28 minus 20 means 8. Now 8 we taken as a divisor and this 20 we taken as a dividend. Now 8 in 8 table 20 means 8 2s are 16. That is 16. Now 20 minus 16 is 4. Now 4 we taken as a divisor and 8 we taken as a dividend. Now in 4 table 8 means 4 2s are 8. Therefore remainder value is 0. Remainder value is 0. Now this 4, okay, this 4 is nothing but HCF of 28 and 48. Okay, this is a very easy method. Okay, HCF is 4. Okay, now some homework is there. That is worksheet. I'm giving screenshots of this home worksheet.
Complete the worksheet and send photos to our group.